In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Messenger unable to login problem. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check the server status of Messenger. So launch your preferred browser, then type in Messenger server status and search for it. Now navigate to this website, Down Detector. If you found out any server issues, wait until the problem will be resolved. If not, you can follow other steps. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then turn it off. Try opening all the website apps to confirm connectivity. Next up, check for app update. Launch App Store or Play Store. Search for Messenger. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it. With these, your problem might be fixed. If still you're having the issue, next thing you want to do is log out of your Messenger account, likewise Facebook account, and log in back. Next up, if you are connected to any VPN or proxy, disconnect them. VPN can sometimes trigger login errors. Lastly, completely delete Messenger from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the Messenger app, click on Remove App, click on Delete to confirm. Then head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Messenger. Once app appears, download it. And that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. Your Messenger unable to log in problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.